Write each fraction greater than 1 as a mixed number and each mixed number as a fraction greater than 1. So according to the directions, we're going to be writing a fraction, well, from a mixed number to a fraction greater than 1 or vice versa. So mixed number examples are actually letter A and letter C. We have a whole number in front and then we have a fraction. So that's what a mixed number is, like a 3 and 4/5. So there's that's another example. Fraction greater than 1 has a numerator larger than the denominator, so it's like 10/7. So the top number is larger. So letter B and letter D are fraction greater than 1, and our job is to change them to a mixed number. So I'm gonna do one of each kind in this video. So let's start with letter A. So 5 and 8/19. So I like to use pictures, however the denominator is way larger. So but there's 5 whole numbers, so if I do draw 5 whole numbers, there will be 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I need another one to draw the 8/19. So one more. Now each of them needs to be equally divided into 19 pieces. So that's very hard to do and time consuming and probably inaccurate. So the other ways, I'm going to represent 5 and 8/19 with 5 plus 8/19. That's what mixed numbers are. And then 5 will be a 5/1. So I'm going to add using common denominators, or the giant one. So we need the 19. So instead of drawing 19 pieces, I'm multiplying by 19 on top and on the bottom, or the giant one. After you do that, you'll be able to convert. So go ahead and multiply that. Pause the video, and the denominator will be 19, and your job is to add those numbers together to get the answer. So whatever the result is from 5 times 19, then add the 8 and you get your new numerator, and we will get a fraction greater than 1. So let's take a look at letter B. So we have 17/8, which is one fraction greater than 1, and our job is to go to a mixed number. And looking at the denominator, I could be drawing again whole numbers, but I have to divide them into 8 pieces. So each one, so let me just do at least one of them. So I have to divide in 8. So just to start with the visual, so I divide half and then half of the half. And then if I cut in half again, that will give me exactly 8 equal pieces, or approximately in this case. So right now, this is 1/8, but I have 17/8. So altogether, if I shade all of them and count how many 8s, this is 8/8 as a whole. So all of it together. Now we have 17/8, so I need another whole number. So I'm going to do another 8/8, so that's another 1. So far I have 16. So pretend you have another one like that. We need all of it shaded in. So it's another 8/8. So far we have 16/8, and then I need one more to get to 17. So I have plus 1/8. So we're gonna have 17/8 altogether when you add the denominators. As a picture, I would shade only that one little piece to show 1/8. So this is the visual representation. So breaking it apart, so there are, how do you make 17 into a sum using 8? So again, I use 8 plus 8 plus 1 over 8. That's one idea. So I have 8/8, that's one whole, plus another 8/8, that's another whole, plus 1/8. So looks like my answer is 2 1/8. So 2 1/8. So that's one way. Okay, the other way that I want to show you that you might seen already in class, let me take a look, is to start with the long division. So the meaning is of 17 over 8 is 17 divided by 8. So you're saying how many times 8 goes into 17. So that's the long division process. So 17, the decimal or the whole number ending is after the 17. 2 times 8 is 16. So it only goes 2 times with the remainder 1. So now we get the same thing. So 2 whole numbers and then remainder 1 out of 8. So those are 2 ways. I do like the picture way when I have small numbers, or breaking it apart like I showed you to make that number. So try C and D on your own.